will fly.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and welcome back to another episode on Oaklane Farm. So today's going to be the second to last episode, episode 11. And so yeah, to start off with, we've got the 3650 on the double bale lifter with a couple of straw bales on the back. That's just got out of that shed there, and I'll probably be selling them off to the neighbours for their horses. And we're just removing them from there so that we can have some space for the new ones, the new straw bales. So yeah, nothing else much changed in the yard still. Moving along, got the David Brown on the meadow roller there, and it's just rolling up this little grass field here, ready for next spring for the grass to grow back nice and well next spring, hopefully. Over here, this field still needs to be baled. Be getting it baled soon, hopefully. So yeah, and then this one we're not going to bale. We didn't drop straw swaths with that one, so we'll just be cultivating that one up. Over here, this one should be good to go next year. We've got some slurry on it, so hopefully that should be good. And the neighbours are just out on their horse here, just taking a quick ride. They've got the Land Rover out with the horse, I4 Williams horse box here as well, just parked up there. Moving along, the header's moved. They've taken that up to a storage shed up near the farmhouse. And the slurry tanker's just there, out of the way of the manure loading here, because they're going to be spreading some manure on the big wheat field that they harvested a few weeks ago. T-dub's just parked up, same with the Ford 5000. Moving on, over here we've got the New Holland 11090 on the Master Ferguson trailer. That's just getting ready to fill up. It probably won't need to because T-dub's on the 14-ton Marston trailer. It's about half full, so there's probably no need for the New Holland. But yeah, they're just finishing up this field here. It's the last field of harvest. And yeah, the Master Ferguson 760s just commenting up the last couple of bits there, and the T-dub will be off to sell that, and they'll return the trailer. So that's about it, guys. Thank you everyone for watching. Yeah, by the way, the cows are up at the other farm, just in case you were wondering where they've gone. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Also, there'll be something special at the end of next episode to end off the series. So make sure you watch next episode the full amount of time. And I'll see you in the next vid. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.